Aspetta, fa un piano sigla. Where is he? There he is. Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I'm taking apart a rack. I'm taking the bumper cover off. I already got the 2 headlights. I got a couple more bolts and then I should be all
This
set.
is one of those situations, right, that the hood doesn't open because it's hooked in the back, right?
Yeah.
The damage goes all the way to the windshield on this hot rod.
Yeah, it's true. The good thing is nothing's holding on the top because it got hit so hard it disconnected everything.
Oh, really?
Right. So so it doesn't matter.
So why are you taking it apart?
Also, the insurance company can come over and examine the whole car and see what's wrong with it or see what's not wrong with it, stuff like that.
Yeah, for the estimate and all that, right?
Because supposedly the owner said that it overheats like crazy. So the radiator's all bent and stuff like that.
Hey, you gotta check it out now then.
Right.
Then back and forth. The insurance company's taking eternity to come look at a car. Right?
Yeah, it's
you want to make sure you get it all on the first run.
Oh,
Forget
I got toe jammed. My ice cream's melting, so I'll call you back. Stuff like that.
You know how they move at the insurance
snails.
companies? You want to know how they move?
How?
It's what they used to say in the old country where I come from. With one foot they take a step, and the other foot the ants eat it. That's how long it takes them to actually move themselves. So, you almost got it?
Yeah, last bolt.
I see you have a special car here today. Are you going to get running, huh?
Yeah.
For Joe, right?
That's his name, Joe.
And this was his father's car.
Yep.
That his father bought. I forgot what he said, but years ago. Awesome old pictures. And when's the inspection sticker on that thing?
1980.
1980.
New Jersey.
Hey. That's a long time ago.
It is.
All right, come on. You got it off already? That's my ball.
Go.
You broke it.
Oh, no.
Okay. Put it here.
Look at that.
Okay. This car's done. Everything's laying down. The radiator support, everything's laying down.
Yeah, come here. Look at this.
Look at your rad support. You got a huge kink right here.
It's a mess.
This car's finished.
Look at.
Past tense. Past tense. So show me this car. Let's go look at Joe's car.
All right, come here.
So here it is, huh?
This is a 67 Vet. Not any old 67 Vet. Factory 427 big block. Now that's
this
a set
big
of
boy's
wheels.
a
Check it out.
427. You got that right. It's a big block car.
That is a car and a half.
This thing's a time warp. This car used to be forest green. What did he say?
Used to be forest green, and then his father painted it this color, right here.
Which is an awesome color. I love the color. I really do.
But this is the car. Okay?
Well, what happened was...
Stuff like that. This is the inspection sticker.
1980
1980 New Jersey. Okay? Now, see this? This is a crack in the fiberglass.
Wow, the car got hit in the front.
Right.
What happened?
He lost brakes while he was pulling in the driveway,
and he
made a decision. Garage door or the oil tank? He picked the oil tank.
What are you going to do?
So this is all pushed in.
That's it.
Okay? These are electric headlights. I guess for Corvette, they weren't vacuum operated.
These are the little motors to open
These
and
are the
close.
motors right here. It got damaged, right? And this isn't metal. Metal flexes. Fiberglass doesn't. So that's why I put a crack over here. So all here's all cracked.
So what does he want you to do? Does he want you to restore the whole thing? What's going on?
Eventually, I'm sure he's going to want to do that. But right now, he wants to get it running and driving.
Makes sense, sure.
He wants to take his father for a ride in it.
See, here's the whole thing. When it got hit, it actually took the fiberglass frame, skeleton, we'll call it, and pushed it back. So all this has to come way, way forward. See that? Because it all cracked and broke.
Right.
I don't think you could even bolt the hood on because I think it's too far back.
He said
Is this open? Can we see the engine?
So, I mean, it's not on because otherwise the hood is going to be touching the windshield.
You have to look at the engine. We have to look at the engine. So the
hood is just resting over here because if you try to bolt it on, he said it's going to touch the windshield.
Yeah, it goes too far back because everything's bolted up in the front.
So if you open it up, look at her.
Oh my God, that's a big block, all right. These are the engines that made it happen on the track for GM, right here, 427.
Yep.
Hot stuff, good stuff.
It really is. And it's matching numbers. It's
it's all an original.
So
this thing is unreal.
And people back in the day used to personalize their cars, so we put side pipes. Check it out. Look, see?
You put side pipes.
And these are one of the only cars that you could pick up with independent rear suspension.
That's it.
Yep.
Universal joints.
I mean, when they had this body style on 64, you know, they also had the Pontiac Tempest with the independent suspension. But
that's
still,
right. That sounds familiar. Where'd you get that idea?
Remember my cousin Vinny? Remember?
What was that girl's name? That said all that. She had that big part in the thing. It was it was silly, crazy, cool.
I don't remember.
What was her name?
You do. You know. Look. He knows.
Imagine this guy. Now you trying to make me look funny over here. Your mother's in the other room.
Look.
Giuseppe'sgarage. What was her name? I don't remember.
You know, like you're smiling.
Wait, you're always ready, right?
Look.
You're always ready to throw rocks at me.
You'll never forget that name. Look at.
Marissa Tomei. I know what it is. Shut up!
Oh man.
She did a good job. She did a good job in that movie. It was ridiculous. So all right. So tell us again. What were they trying to explain?
Well, for those years, there was only two cars with independent suspension and a posi unit: the Corvette and the Pontiac Tempest. The Buick that they showed in the beginning had a solid rear axle, and it was a one-legger. So if they would have done the burnout work completely different. It was a one-legger instead of the Pontiac Tempest doing two lines.
Oh, and the Buick would have done one.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Yep. And you want to know what my favorite thing is about this car? Nobody destroyed it. Nobody took anything apart.
All original.
Nobody tried to make anything better. All right. I'm gonna restore it using my shed. Nothing. Nothing.
No.
So it's all there, and it's ready for a professional to get moving on it. See? Well, Giuseppe, there's only one thing to say.
Taking over the world.
Oh!